Adam, what do you think of the phase one trade deal? Do you think it was worth all the pain?
No. I mean, this was a stupid exercise. They went through a year and a half of unnecessary economic conflict to achieve almost nothing. I compared it, I think, before, Guy, on this program a while back to economic Afghanistan. You spend a lot of blood and treasure with no clear war aim and no clear end game. So here we are. We're going to get some rhetoric about intellectual property rights. We're going to get back some soybean and pork purchases, and we will have achieved nothing and put some people out of work, and mostly created an overhang for years to come about the U.S. is not supporting the trade regime the way it once was and is not able to push China. I think it's a terrible thing.
Do you think we get a phase two? Like, do you think that ever happens?
Ever's a long time. Do we get a phase two before the election? No. Do we get a meaningful phase two at some point early in the next president's term, whether it's Trump or someone else? Possibly. The hope, as some Democrats are expressing, is maybe if you line up with the EU and Japan and Australia and Canada, you might be able to push China on subsidies of state-owned enterprises. There is an actual deal to be had there, which I think is possible. But this is all sideshow, frankly. What's really happening is we're going to get decoupling, divergence on technology, on education, on standards. There's a huge bipartisan support in Washington for taking the U.S. and U.S. technology away from China, and China internally wants to decouple in the technology sector and be more independent. From a national security point of view, this might be a good idea, but it's going to be a less efficient world, and there's going to be a lot of friction for multinational companies in third countries.